Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Old Black Betty and I went on a field trip this weekend. Put on a couple more miles. We went down to Knoxville, Tennessee. Had a good run. Had some good people down there. Had some really beautiful country. Had some pretty good sized hills too. This old truck right here, this is a 01 Dodge 2500 4-wheel drive Cummins diesel, VIN code C. Got 170,000 miles on her. Her name's Bella. I've took care of this truck for approximately the last 10 years for the customer. 2 years ago, they come over and give me a big surprise. They give her to me. Made her special. Bella suffers from Michigan rust, and she's got it good. She's got it real good. This is a cab corner. Come all the way up this rocker here. And that's bad. It's ate right out. This is the bottoms of the door. That eats it right up. If you come underneath here, this is a front cab mount. And the salt has had its way with it. She come inside here, the interior's in great shape. Not a rip in the seat or anything. I'd show you the driver's side seat on the edge, but I had to screw the door shut because the rust got so bad. So if I needed to use it, I had to side saddle it from the right side. That dash pad is no cracks in it whatsoever. Headliner staying right up where it belongs. Good shape. Went down to Knoxville. A gentleman down there had donated me an 01 Dodge 2500 2-wheel drive for a donor body. And she is dirty. You're probably going, I'd donate it too just to get it out of my yard. Well, she does have stuff growing on it. Look at that. It's funny what you find underneath all of this though. Pretty good straight old truck. Got a few bumps and bruises here and there. More stuff growing. She come around this corner here. This is what I call the honeymoon surprise. It's what you find with everything off. It's funny what's underneath all that grime. Good clean truck. Got some thin paint here and there, but that's no big deal. She's pretty straight. Them rockers. Bottoms of them doors. Interior's seen its better days, but Bella's gonna go into it. Listen to them doors. That's what a cab mount's supposed to look like. It's all there. This is the rear one. All four of them are the same, just in great shape. This is inside the bed here. No rust up underneath there at all. She's in great shape. I've got inner fenders for it. It's a great donor truck. That was my honeymoon surprise. And boy, I was surprised. So y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll see you all around. Thank you very much. Bye.